It is Chika Donnie, inaming natatakot na baka isang umaga magbago ang isip ni Bill Mariano sa kanya. In an interview, sa isang showbiz interview, revealed that he's so scared his fiancée will change her mind about him. Baka hindi niya na raw pakasalan ito. Baka magbago ang isip ni Bill. And Donnie told the publication of his relationship with Mariano, there's no ego between us. She's praying for me to win and I'm praying for her to win. And sana manalo kami sa relasyon nito. Sana kami na hanggang sa dulo.